Welcome to Quick Tip with Joy. Today I wanted to share, if you were, I just chose a book that I have in my file, but if you were going to make a spine and you're building your own book and you don't know how to make a template for it, this tip is for you. So first you would take it from the top to the bottom and, well, you would measure the papers on the inside necessarily. And I would crease it, cut that edge off of there. And this is where you're going to find out that you're going to put your signatures in. Now, signature, if you don't know what that is your books that are put together. All right, so I cut this to the pages. It's just a scrap piece of paper. Then you would fold it in half. Now, like what I like to do is I like to find the center. So fold it in half again. Oops, make sure you got it exactly in half. And then what I like to do, if all the pages are the same size and you don't have to worry about the very first page being like off, then I would just fold it down about the same distance so it's even. That's the way I do it. You might want to go down farther if you have something that's loose. Like if you had a page that was like this big, you wouldn't want to come all the way down here in the center. But if you had a page that was like maybe like that big, you might want to bring it down just a little farther. So see, this is where my crease is at. You might want to bring it down to here to catch that page, that first page. But for the most part, that's what you do. You end up and you mark a center hole, and then this is going to be even and this is going to be even. And you know, you don't want it too big, but I'll make it bigger just so it's visible to you. And then that way, when you're putting in your signatures, and this is kind of a bad idea book. This book was given to me. It's a beautiful book, the way she put it together. But if you were, so each of these would be a signature, and then she has all the pretty papers in the middle, which is kind of cool. But you would put this down in the center, and then you would take your pokey tool, your awl, whatever, and then you would make sure it goes straight in, and you would poke it like this, close it, and then you would shove it through, making sure that it was perfectly straight. You want this down as far as you can. But that is how you do a signature. And you don't, if you've got 5 signatures, you don't do 5 of these. You do 1 and you use the same one. Now I do mark top on, so you know that you're doing, your pages are always the same direction, because sometimes if you flip this over accidentally, it might make your signature off. So one's like here, and instead of the next one being here, it might be up or down just a smidge if you didn't get this perfect. So always make sure to mark top on it. I hope that's helpful to you. If you like the idea, give me a thumbs up, share it if you like, and I hope to see you next time. Please subscribe and you will get notifications. If you choose all in the notifications, you'll get every notification from me when I post something new. So that's it for today. Thank you, and I would love to see you back. Remember, your day is full of choices, so choose joy. Have a great day.